All right, thanks once again. Thanks for joining this Jewellery ERP program in continuation with our dashboards and the daily middle rate and the stock inventories and stock evaluations. I would like to let's have a repair order for this Mohit as a customer that we have created. I will click on a repair order. Go ahead and click on this new repair order. Let's search for the Mohit here for now. Is my existing customer. If I do not have any existing customer, I will go to my customer record page and create a new customer record actually. So here you see I am creating a repair order in which I have collected, let's suppose 300 as a cash, and then this, let's suppose I would like to have a gold chains link repair. I can put the detail and then I am putting for which purpose that I am taking. I can also put the gold as a weight here. So let's suppose this gold link repair is called 8 gram 560 milligram. The repair cost is like 700 something, and then click on save repair actually. So I just created my repair order in which I already taken the 400 as a balance is coming and 300 as a cash we have received. The total cost for the repair is 700. Now if I go to the Mohit Singh as a customer, here on a customer I will see there is one repair which is outstanding here. I may go and select the Mohit's accounts and I can see which repairs are open. The repair are already open with the 400 as a value. So you can see the 400 this is coming. You can again come back to the repair order. So let's suppose later day they came and asked for the repair is done or not done. Then you come back and open this repair order and let's go ahead and collect the payment. I have collected the payment in cash, UPI or card or check or something. Then mark this payment has been received. Once you have received, then deliver this item actually and then close it. So once you have marked this particular delivered for the repair order, if I come back to my customers, there is no open repair order you can see in the repair record. You can go and click on an account, and under this account I can see like total cash is being collected and there is no repair open. I can see this is already delivered to that particular customers. So this is all about the repair order for the new customers. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll talk about the more sales invoice and the advance order invoice and advance booking and everything. Stay tuned for more update. We'll also talk about the gold silver loan also. Thank you so much. Thanks for the update. Thanks for joining this Jewellery ERP program.